Alright, we're going to record this video about the primary source interpretation assignment. It now pops up on course units, and if you click on that, and you click on that, it brings up several documents. The first one is a PDF that describes what I want from you. It's 250 words. We're basically talking about 2 paragraphs. I want you to pick a primary source from the past, from the period of 1877 to 1920, and I want you to pick something you like, pick something you're interested in, pick something you want to learn more about, and then I want you to find some kind of scholarly source to put that primary source in context, so you can talk about what's in the primary source itself, and then what's in the secondary source, what have historians said about this thing, and kind of create a mini interpretation of the past based on a single document, based on a single example. You're going to use Chicago citations. That's something that you can easily search on the web. Purdue OWL, its online writing lab, Purdue OWL, has a great resource for that. I'll put a link up here in a little bit. You're going to use footnotes to do this, to give your evidence in the thing. You're going to find a scholarly source from JSTOR to corroborate your evidence. I've also put up a little link to a online textbook. It's a high quality textbook. You can use that also to try and put your primary source in context. Pick anything you want. Pick something you're interested in. Find the source. You can just put in, if you want to do an event, you can type in the event and primary source, and they'll pop up on the web. The internet has thousands of primary sources that are available to you. So do like a typical Google search to find your initial primary source, and then use JSTOR to find a really good scholarly source to help you put that primary source in context. I want you to kind of be a historian for a little while here and use the tools that historians use to tell stories about the past. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, fire me up in the forum or send me an email and I'll get right back to you. All right, thanks.